back to my channel. Today I'm so incredibly excited because we are unboxing the 2022 M2 MacBook Air, and I am so excited about this because currently I'm using a Chromebook for everything that I need. So this is a major upgrade for me. So let's go ahead, take it out of the bag and see what we're working with. Oh my gosh. So incredibly sleek. Okay, let me push this out of the way. Just shocking. Wow, oh my gosh, I just can't. I can't right now. I just feel like pristine or anything about it. So this is the actual MacBook itself. It feels honestly really lightweight, but I'm gonna put this to the side right now and just look at what we have in the box. So in the box we have the charger, really nice, and we also have this little manual, I'm assuming this is, and we have this as well. Now time for the most important part of this video. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna rip the band-aid off. And I've never had a Mac before, so that's why I'm like treating this like a baby, because this is worth so much money, as you already know. But oh my gosh, I'm putting it back on the plastic. I don't care. It's just too pristine to not leave it on the plastic. So clean. It looks so nice, obviously. So it looks very sleek right now, but I am the type of person who literally needs to put a case on something at all times. So thankfully, I was able to purchase a case, but I know that when it first came out, there weren't many cases available, but I went on Amazon and I bought this one. So I'm gonna open this first and then I'm gonna put it on. I know to some people, they just love the sleek design of the MacBook, but like, I spent so much money on this, and this is my first MacBook, and if I can protect it in any way I can, I'm gonna protect this thing. So I bought this case on Amazon for like $20 or $25. And this is what it looks like. Looks like this. I kind of thought the color was gonna be better. Okay. Maybe it's just the plastic. Well, it looks like this, and it also comes with this keypad cover, but I've heard and read that you shouldn't put this on because it could easily crack your screen, so I'm not even gonna try and mess with that. But I thought this looks more gray to me, and I thought it was going to be like more tan or cream in person, and I'm going to open it anyways. So this is a hard shell cover, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. I'm going to assume I'm doing it the right way. If not, well, I guess we'll find that out later. So it does snap in place. I'm almost positive it snapped in on every single side. Oh, I guess it didn't. Bottom is set, looks like this. Feels okay, but it's not like what I wanted it to be, but as I said before, I need a case on this thing because I spent so much money on it, so I'm just trying to protect it in any way I can. I could always just buy one later, and I'm just gonna hope that I can return this, because when a new case comes, I could just easily take this one off and switch it with the other one. So it's all on, looks like this, It's not terrible. I guess I could also just put stickers on it, which I wouldn't mind doing. It doesn't really feel matte, but it just kind of feels like a hard cover case, which I'm okay with, I suppose, but I just wanted the color to just be a little bit more cream, but that's fine. So let's go ahead and open this up for the very first time, customize it, and get it ready to go. Does anything on a light mode? Not me. We did it. I'm gonna be honest. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yes. An Apple, okay, sure, I can use the Apple iPhone, whatever, but the MacBook, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing because I've never had one before. So let's try to customize it and see what the heck we're